UVC has become a common sanitizing and disinfecting method for several industries, including the food industry. Research on the use of germicidal UVC on fruits and vegetables post-harvest shows that when a UV light is used on produce for sanitizing, the growth of microbes is delayed while the quality of the produce does not change. Harnessing the power of UVC light has also shown to extend the shelf life of fresh produce, which is a cost benefit for supermarkets and other food sellers. Here is a list of UV effects and potential application as a post-harvest food preservation solution. This brief list of results is just a piece of what is in the full study, but gives a clear understanding of just how beneficial this powerful and affordable tool can be. Not only does UVC help keep supermarket patrons safer by killing bacteria and microbials, the shelf life of produce is extended, saving supermarkets and other food sellers money. A lot of money. The most recent study shows that as of 2008, supermarkets throw away 43 billion pounds of food every year. In 2005 and 2006, annual supermarket losses averaged 11.4% for fresh fruit and 9.7% for vegetables, with losses for specific items varying. This study was done years ago, so the numbers and percentages could be higher today. Here at Larson Electronics, we carry a wide variety of powerful UVC sanitation solutions, including options for use on produce. All of our items are always in stock and ready to ship immediately. For more information on specific food-safe UVC light fixtures that can be used to sanitize produce, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.